Hi class, welcome back to our class. Today we would like to discuss about leadership in nature of work. How to control, how to be a leader in the different situation. Managerial work is being affected by sweeping changes in economics, politics, communication technology, and cultural value. The trend toward globalization continues to accelerate as foreign competition intensifies. Foreign markets become more important, and more companies become multinational and participate in cross-national joint ventures. Managerial responsibility increasingly involve international issue, and manager must be able to understand, to communicate with, and influence people from different cultures. Cultural diversity of the workforce within organization is increasing as well. To build cooperative relationship requires considerably empathy, respect for diversity, and understanding of the values, belief, and attitude of people from different cultures. New computer and telecommunication technology is changing the nature of work and make it possible to provide more detailed, timely information to anyone who needs it. However, increased information about the organization, operation, and environment can be both a blessing and a curse. It takes a clear sense of objectives and priorities and strong cognitive skills to deal with the lack of information and make sense out of it. Moreover, as electronic communication becomes more important, leaders will need to adjust their behavior to fit the new technologies. Changes in the structure of organizations present yet another challenge. Many organizations are being decentralized into smaller, semi-autonomous units flattened by eliminating layers of middle management, or restructured around product teams that cut across functional or geographical lines. Team-based organizations have more shared leadership, and team leaders are expected to be more of a coach and facilitators and less of a director and controller. Another trend is increased reliance on outside suppliers, consultants, and contractors that provide supplies, materials, or services when needed on a just-in-time basis. In contrast to a vertically integrated firm, many new companies with internet and e-commerce activities use a virtual or network from organizations and outsource most activities to other organizations. Leadership scholars have begun to investigate possible differences in managerial skills and role requirements for these virtual companies. Despite many similarities in roles, the leaders are expected to function more like entrepreneurs than traditional managers, which requires more knowledge about information technology and more skill in project management. The managers must identify strategic opportunities, negotiate joint venture with people in other organizations, build strategic alliances, and coordinate interdependent activities in dozens of locations spread around the globe.